Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, use the down button to scroll down and find the option called Activities and Apps. Once you find it and select it, press the start button to enter. Here, scroll through the list, find the application you want to uninstall. Once you find it and select it, press start. And here, scroll through the menu, find the delete from device option. Once you select it, press start, and then press start to confirm. And the app will be removed from your watch. It will disappear from this list right here, as you can see. Okay, and then you can press back button to go back to watch face. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the application on a phone to remove the applications from your watch. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring our phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera like this. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the application called Connect IQ Store. If you don't have this application, I recommend to install it. It's very useful if you like to download watch faces, download applications, manage anything like applications, watch faces and stuff like that on your watch. Once you download this application, open it, and in the application you will see the main page of the IQ Store. Now tap on My Device, and here we have My Device apps. Tap on it, and right here we have the list of installed applications and not installed. Not installed is basically a list of applications that were installed on your watch, but you removed them for at some point basically, and you still have them. If you want to reinstall them quickly, you can tap on them and install them. Okay, now tap on the app you want to remove. Tap on uninstall, tap on uninstall. And the app should be removed from your watch. Let's check the menu. So I'm gonna scroll down through the activity app and activity menu. As you can see, the app is gone from here. For some reason, the uninstall button didn't change to install button, but and the list didn't refresh. But the app was removed. We can also go to the menu, activities and apps. Scroll through this list, and as you can see, the app is gone. So it is removed from our watch. It's just something bugged out in the application and it didn't got updated, but it probably will at some point. Okay, and now we can close the app, and that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.